Oh, it tried to fire then, holy cow. Alright people, it's almost New Year's. It might even be New Year's by the time I show this video. But I'm curious to see what people think. I've got this old car, right? I've had it for, I don't know, coming up on 10 years now, roughly. I did have it on the road till about 2 years ago when it broke down, and I just haven't touched it since. So I don't know if I should sell it, get on with it, and get it back on the road. It is a classic car. It's an old one. You may see the thumbnail. You'll know probably what it is. But I did put a new roof on it a few years back. I've done, I don't know, I've spent a good few £1,000 on this car to get it up and running. But I don't know if I should do it as a project with my daughter, or do it as a project on this channel as something a little extra, or just sell it, because it's been sitting for 2 years now and I have not touched it. So I'm going to get into the garage, give it a bit of power. I don't know why I did this at night. I'm an idiot, I don't know. Just couldn't be asked to get out earlier in the day, I suppose. But for some reason decided to do it late at night. It might start, it might not, but it did basically. We were driving it, me and the missus, picked up a mate, and it started just running lumpy. But obviously, when I did originally get this car going, it didn't actually clean the tank out like an idiot. And I know you're all going to probably shout at me because it was sitting around for the best part of, I think, 14, 15 years before it got going. I'll put some pictures up and show you the state of this car when I originally picked it up. I only paid 400 quid for it, but this is the second classic car I paid £400 for. I've got two of them. I've got a Spitfire that I'm restoring my daughter, and then I've got this one. But this one's kind of took a back seat because it's in a garage that's not close to home, obviously one of them. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'll get into it now. I'll show you exactly what car it is, have a little look around it. It is dark, so I'll try my best to get it lit up as best I can. I'm going to see if we can get it turning over, so I'll open the bonnet up first, and then maybe see if it will start. It might not. It might not even have any fuel in it. I don't even remember now. It's been that long. We'll be back with you in a sec. Right, he's ready to see it. Look at that. She's looking a little bit sorry for herself, isn't she? A little bit sorry. I don't even know how that's got it. Look, it's got leaves coming in here. But if you look in here, it's actually got a brand new roof on it that I put on it a few years ago. I'll quickly get into this, and we'll pop the bonnet. Let's just see if something happens with it. And for some of you avid car fans, you might notice something a little bit different about this old GTI. You look, try and shine a light. I'm sure some of you will tell that this one's a little bit different to your standard GTI. Now, obviously I did put all these piping in myself, but this car actually came with an old, I don't know if some of you see that, the old Turbo Technics conversion on it. So someone before me did that, not me. I just ended up having to rebuild the turbo, put some new oil lines in it because the oil lines to the oil cooler was collapsed. And it was actually quite quick, but I had to get Pertex to do these oil lines here. And like I said, spent a lot of time on it, but just ain't had much time to put into it. I fix everyone else's cars, but never get round to my own. But let's have a look. Let's get the jump pack on it, see if it does anything. There we go, got a little jump pack on it. See if it does anything. I don't know. I'm not actually sure how this is going to go, because like I said, it's been sitting for 2 years and oh shit, actually, one sec, got to put the lead on it, one sec. There we go. Now it may actually start, because I took the obviously the king lead off the distributor when I first put this in here. Let's have a look, see what happens. Because I started this thing in a donkey. I can't get into the driver's side because, as most people know, UK garages are just narrow as anything. Let's see, we've got any lights? Let's see, we've got any power? Oh yeah, we've got power in the old girl. Oh look at that. Let's see, have we got any fuel in it? I don't think we've got any fuel in it. Not very good jumping. Nah, it ain't gonna start. Need more juice than this old battery. It's not even spinning fast enough. Oh, it tried to fire then, holy cow. Well, will she go? Hang on, 1 second. Let's see what happens if I give her a bit of throttle. It's trying to fire. Wow, maybe she will. Boost pack's completely dead now. She's close to firing, so she might actually fire up. I know, it's a shame, it's sat so bloody long in all honesty, but it's just having the time for things. So yeah, let me know what you people think. Do you reckon I should get on with this, get it sorted? I've got a battery at home that'll probably work for it, and maybe she just needs a bit of fuel, bit of tweaking, bit of loving, and she'll come around. But that almost actually went. If it was spinning a bit faster, I reckon she'd have gone over then. So yeah, let us know. What do you think? Because I don't actually know if I should sell, keep it, get on the repair, do it with my daughter as our next car to do. But yeah, speak to you in a bit. I forgot to say, I've got loads of spare parts for this as well. Like I've got a new bumper, gearbox, got a door there, back window, even got a complete engine down there. So, you know, all the spare, I've got 2 gearboxes actually, got some coilovers. No, the coilovers are knackered, I wouldn't ever use those coilovers, but got a lot of stuff in for this. Collected a load of parts years ago. So I was just going to change the engine because it was giving me so much grief, but then I got it running with the turbo and decided we'll keep the turbo on it. And yeah, but that still could be an option, what I do with this car. So yeah, there she is in all her glory. She's a little bit of a special one. But I also need to get something to regulate the boost on this as well, because it is boosts far too much. Got water in it still. There's water in it still. This had the core plugs done as well years ago. I did the core plugs on this years ago because they're all leaking. Yeah, she looks good still. Just needs a bit of a tidy up. The bodywork's not great on it. Again, I'll pop some pictures up, see what you think. And then take that lead back off it. Because we don't want to leave that on, just in case someone tries to help themselves to it. I'm still unsure about this car. Anyway, people, that's that for now. See you soon. So yes, I know I shouldn't have tried turning that over because it's sat for so long, but you know what, I was just wondering if anything actually would happen. So yeah, bit of fuel, new battery, might fire up, but obviously as you'll see as this gets to the end of the pictures, you'll see where the AA van picked us up is, so I thought I'd just throw that one in there. But anyway, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, let me know what I should do with it. Should I fix it with my daughter, put that on another channel? Because it's kind of like this is a project thing. I don't know if I'd mix it with this channel or not, because this is obviously we go out and fix other people's cars. But yeah, drop it in the comments, let us know if you want to see more of it or you don't, and maybe I should just sell it. Obviously the reason I did keep this car, because obviously I've got a bit of an attachment to it, because it's yeah, it's become part of my life. So for some reason I just can't seem to come to sell it, but it is getting to that point where maybe someone else can actually get this done. Or I just need to stop being a bum and make some time for it and just get the tools out and get her back on the road. Because it's so close now. Bit of paint, bit of tweaking, and she'll be right as rain, I reckon, but life gets in the way, as we all know. Anyway, catch us on the next one, guys. Much love, peace out.